Hi, so mates, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. In today's tutorial, we'll be teaching how to cut and sew an handkerchief peplon, or you can call it an handkerchief flare. If this is what you're interested in knowing how to do, then let's get started. So in this video is a skirt and a top, but we're going to be learning basically just the handkerchief peplon. So this is my fabric being folded into four, as you can see, and that is the midpoint. It is being folded into four pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead to measure and then cut. So at that part, I measured the waist circumference and the length. So the length of my peplon is 10 and the waist circumference I measured 3.5. I'm going to be marking that 3.5 round it. So this is me making sure that all the angle, all the folded edges is 10 inches. So you're going to make sure that they are 10 inches on fold. So I'm just trying to mark my waist circumference and cut it out. Guys, don't forget that this handkerchief peplon that I'm cutting is a 720 flare. That means I'm going to be cutting all of this in 3 places. That is what I'm cutting now. I'm going to be cutting it out in 3 places. So I'll just go ahead to cut the first flare out. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to basically cut this out in 3 places, and this is it. As you can see, 1, 2, and I have the third one because we want it very full. So you're just going to go ahead to cut out your lining as well in 3 places, just as I've done in this video. 1, and I have it in 3 places as well. Then we're going to be using an interfacing, and the interfacing I'll be using is a normal stay. So I'm using a normal stay as my interface. I've cut it out as well in 3 places. I'm going to go ahead to iron it with the fabric. That is, I'm going to be staying my the stay on my fabric. So I'm going to go ahead to open one part, just as I'm doing in the video. I'm going to slash it open so I can be able to have a place to join them all together. So guys, after I've done doing this, I'm just going to go ahead to add my interface and take it to my steam press, then and iron it out. If you have a normal iron can do this as well, but me, I prefer to use my steam press because it's going to give me the result I want almost immediately. So this part, I'm just trying to show you guys how I'm going to be joining them later on. I'm going to be joining them together later on this way, but as you can see in 3 places, I'll just go ahead to join them together like so. So guys, this is me just trying to show you how the end result is going to look like. You can see the waves at the down that is giving us that handkerchief look that we want. So in this place, I've gone ahead to add my interface to the main fabric, that's to my ankara. Then I joined everything together, and I'm just trying to sew the lining to the fabric, just as I've shown you guys. So I'm just trying to sew the lining to the fabric around it, and once I'm done doing this, I'm going to go ahead to iron it out. Guys, don't forget, I'm just trying to show you this so you can know that you don't have to curve it at any part. All the sharp edge need to come out, and when you're ironing as well, you have to bring out all the sharp edges. So just as I've done in this video, guys. So once I'm done sewing, I'm going to bring out the fabric out and then take it to my steam press and iron, just as I'm doing here. As you can see, I've ironed some parts already, and you can see how neat it is. It is bringing out all the sharp edges, just as I've explained earlier. And if you don't have a steam press, a normal iron can do this as well. And I'm trying to show you the final result here. In here, I've already gone ahead to add it up to the main fabric, that is to the waist of the bodies I've already prepared, and this is the final look, guys. This is how it's looking, and it's a full 720 peplum flare. I don't know why I like to call it peplum flare a lot. Okay, so a full 720 flare, and this is the result again. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for staying tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will be there waiting to hear from you. So soulmate, until you see me in my next tutorial, bye for now.